Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with high cholesterol, you're not alone. It's a common problem that affects many people. But did you know that there are foods that can help lower your cholesterol levels? Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 foods that are great for cholesterol patients. Let's get started. Number 1. Oats. Oats are high in soluble fiber, which can help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or add oats to smoothies, muffins, or pancakes. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Use olive oil for cooking, salad dressings, and marinades. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Add avocado to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in fiber, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Add legumes to soups, stews, salads, or as a side dish. Lower triglycerides and raise HDL or good cholesterol levels. Aim to eat fish at least twice a week. Heart health. Thanks